Hi, welcome to the second session of SSRS in the series of SSRS step-by-step course. In this session, we are going to see how we can set up and install SSRS on our local system. And in the previous session, what we have seen is what is SSRS, a brief introduction about why SSRS and why to use it, where to use it, how to use a data analytics and visualization tool, where to deploy it, and how it can benefit you in the field of data analytics and visualization. So in this course, my agenda is to to tell you how to set up and install what is SSDT, which is SQL Server Development Tool, what is SQL Server Management Studio. In SQL Server Management Studio, we are also going to understand what is database, what is tables, and what is sample data. Moving on, our last topic for today's video would be integrated development environment and how which is the platform where we will design our reports. So integrated development environment is basically the platform, uh, the environment in which you will develop your reports, the charts or dashboards using all the necessary tools, for example SSDT and SSMS. So one by one I'm going to show you how you can install it, and let's get started on that. So let's go back to the browser and search for SSDT. So SSDT stands for SQL Server Development Tool. So if I search for SSDT, you have to type like there will be a brief introduction about what is SSDT and all about. So you can go to the Microsoft site and see that what is SSDT is all about. So here you can see SQL Server Data Tool for Visual Studio. Basically, this is a tool provided by Microsoft to design and write reports and dashboard on top of it. So what we are going to do is we are going to install SSDT on our system. So in order to install that, you have to search for download. To download SSDT 2012 is sufficient, so don't worry about the versioning here. So you can just right click and open it, and here you can see that 2012 it is opening. Yeah, here you can see like it is SQL Server Data Tools for Visual Studio 2012, and using this link you can just click here and download it. Since I have already downloaded it on my system, it will take few seconds to download. Yeah, it started. So it is like 790 MB and take few times. So since I have only just downloaded it, so I will not do that again. So once we have done that, what we have to do is like we have to also download SQL Server Management Studio. So don't worry about the versions. Express is fine. So if you have SQL Server Express, that's all you need. Do not go for the community edition or the enterprise edition because that is a little bit expensive, because a trial period is associated with them and they offer some more functionality, but for this session I think SQL Server 2014 is best. So this is the URL. You can directly go and download the SQL Server 2014 from here itself. So this is what you have to type on the in the browser. And the last one we have is our integrated development environment. So once you have this SSDT installed, and you will click on this and you can get these files. So the main file to download is to based on your system processor. So uh, let's not get confused on that. So it means like whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. So in order to get whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, it always safe to download 64-bit, because it doesn't matter. Like if your system is 64-bit, you have to just click on this and click on next, and what you click on next, and then once you click on next, it will take you to the downloading screen and it will start your download in few seconds. So here you can see like it has been started downloading. So I'll cancel it because I have already installed that. So that's it. We have now SSDT on our system and SSMS on our system. So go ahead and click on that and install it. Once you have installed the SSDT and SSMS, so here I'll show you how it looks like. So this is my SSDT environment, and you are seeing this in a total gray. That's fine. It will you can just go here into options, into journal and color theme. You can just change it to light or dark. I prefer dark, so I have taken this entire ID environment in dark. This is called integrated development environment. This is where you will design your project in SSRS, and this is what we need. It's called SSDT, SQL Server Development Tools, and this is the start page. and we'll dive deep into how to start a project and how to create a new project in another session. This is all about installing and set up the environment on your desktop. So this is all about the SSDT. This is our integrated development environment. And moving on to this SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. So I have installed that as well. So once it's been successfully installed, you can see like Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. And this is the portal of SSMS. And now what you can do is like you can just click on connect in database engine, and this will automatically pop up here. So I'll go with my window authentication only, and this is SQL Server Express. It will automatically take your system name, and it will append SQL Server Express over here, and you have to just click on connect. As soon as you click on connect, as you can see that a lot of objects are here, like database, security objects, replication management, profiler. So we have a lot of things available here. We'll go dive deep into this and create more database. So what is a database? Database is a collection of your tables. It is an object in a management studio. So this management studio is a platform inside which we will create the database, and then we will create tables, and using that table and the data inside that table we will generate the report. So this is the whole idea. So that's it for this session, and what we have covered is we have covered we have covered the SQL Server SSDT, SQL Server Management Studio, databases, tables, and once we have the table, we will insert the sample data. How to insert it, I'll show you in our next session, and what is integrated development environment. So that's it for this session. Uh, let's let's get back to our setup, and let's start creating our new reports. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.